You can build anything with Google AI Studio, full apps, landing pages, games, and even videos without touching a single line of code. This is all powered by Gemini 3 Flash, and I'm about to show you exactly how to use it to grow your business. Let's go. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. All right, so what is Google AI Studio? It's basically a free web platform from Google where you can build AI-powered apps, tools, and content using their Gemini models. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to know how to code. You just type what you want and Google's AI builds it for you. It replaced an older tool called MakerSuite, and now it's integrated with Gemini API and Vertex AI. But here's where it gets wild. Google just released Gemini 3 Flash, and this thing is now the default model in AI Studio. It's faster, cheaper, and way more powerful than the older versions. This model can understand text, images, video, and audio all at once, so you can literally describe what you want in plain English, and it builds it. We're talking landing pages, apps, games, video content, all of it. Now let me show you what this actually looks like in practice, because I'm not just going to tell you about it. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this to grow a business like the AI Profit Boardroom. And by the way, let's start with building a landing page. So you open up Google AI Studio and you just type in a prompt like this: create a responsive landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that converts visitors into members. Include a hero section with a bold headline about AI automation, 3 benefit sections explaining how members save time and get more customers, testimonial section, and a clear call to action button. Use a modern design with a dark theme and professional colors, and boom, within seconds, AI Studio generates the full HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for you. You get a clean, modern landing page that's responsive and actually works. You can preview it right there in the browser. If you don't like something, you just tell it to change it and make the headline bigger, change the colors, add more sections. It's that easy. Then you just export the code and upload it to your site. Now, here's the thing. Most people think you need a designer or a developer to build stuff like this. You don't. Google AI Studio does it all for you. And this is just the beginning, because you can build way more than landing pages. And by the way, if you want to learn how to automate your business with tools like Google AI Studio and Gemini 3 Flash, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours building apps, landing pages, and automated systems just like these. Link in the description. Let's talk about building full apps. Say you want a simple tool for the AI Profit Boardroom community, maybe a task tracker where members can organize their automation projects. You just type this: build a task management app for AI Profit Boardroom members. Include a clean dashboard where users can add tasks, mark them complete, organized by project category like content automation or lead generation, and save everything locally. Use a simple modern design with drag and drop functionality. Google AI Studio generates the entire app for you, front end, back end, logic, everything. You get a working prototype right there. Members can add tasks, check them off, organize their automation workflows. It's fully functional. And if you want to add features, you just ask. Add a timer, add categories, add reminders. The AI builds it. This is what people are missing. You don't need a whole dev team anymore. You don't need months of development time. You can build tools and apps in minutes that actually help your business or your community. And the best part is you can customize everything to fit exactly what you need. Now let's get into something really cool. Building games. Yes, you can build games with this, and I'm not talking about some basic, boring stuff. You can build actual interactive games. So say you want a fun quiz game for the AI Profit Boardroom. Something to test members on AI automation knowledge. You type this: build an interactive quiz game about AI automation for the AI Profit Boardroom. Include 10 questions about AI tools, automation strategies, and business growth. Show score at the end with personalized feedback. Make it fun with smooth animations and a clean design. AI Studio builds the entire game. HTML5 canvas, JavaScript animations, scoring system, everything. You get a playable game that you can embed on your site or share with your community. Members can test their knowledge, compete with each other, and actually engage with your content in a fun way. This is how you keep people coming back. And here's what most people don't realize. When you build stuff like this, you're not just creating content. You're building tools that actually provide value. you're giving your audience something they can use, something that helps them. And that's what separates good creators from great ones. Now let's talk about video creation, because this is where Google AI Studio gets insane. Google has this video generation model called Veo 3 that's integrated into the platform. You can create videos from text prompts. And I'm not talking about slideshows with stock footage. I'm talking about AI generated video content. So say you want to create a quick social media video promoting the AI Profit Boardroom. You type something like this: generate a 10-second vertical video for social media about the AI Profit Boardroom. Show text overlays explaining how members automate their business and save time. Use upbeat background music and smooth transitions. Make it 1080p in 9:16 format for Instagram and TikTok. And Google's AI creates the video for you. It generates the visuals, adds the text overlays, syncs it with music, exports it in the right format. You can even animate photos into short video clips, take a screenshot of your landing page and turn it into a video ad. Take a photo of your product and make it move. This stuff is wild. The video generation is still rolling out to more users, but it's already available in AI Studio through the Gemini API, and it supports vertical formats, 1080p quality, all the stuff you need for social media.